Hello, hello. Welcome to the live stream. Welcome to the recording after the live stream. Let's clear this up. We're going to be taking our CASAS math practice exam. This is our math goals level 2 sample items, or rather just CASAS math goals 2 right here. Series is an assessment of mathematics for adult basic education and adult secondary education. This document provides sample test items organized by NRS level as examples of the type of test items on the operational Math Goals 2 test forms. With each sample item are item level alignments to content areas of the tests. Below is a list of task area items uh, and abbreviations that refer to the CCRS, which is the College and Career Reading Standards for Adult Education. These abbreviations are drawn from the CCRS: number sense and operations, algebraic thinking, geometry and measurement, data analysis, statistics, and probability. So we are going to be working with three different task areas, which are general, forms, charts and tables and graphs. Remember that the general includes texts, emails, articles, and narratives. The forms include signs, ads, and labels. Charts, tables, and graphs include diagrams and measurement scales. And let's get started. Let's take the math test. Level 1. Item 1 is number sense and operations. How many total lunch orders are there? So they want the total number of orders. So we're going to add all five. And when we get that, and when we do that, we are left with B. So there are 30 total lunch orders. 30 total lunch orders. Next, we're going to work with the next question. Over here, algebraic thinking. It says Josie had 8 cookies. She ate some cookies after dinner. Now she has 5 cookies left. Before dinner, after dinner. How many cookies did Josie eat? So basically, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. But we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 left. So yeah. Actually, we have 5 left. So let's just say C is the number of cookies. Now we have 5. What are we actually taking away? She has 3 cookies left. She ate 3 cookies. Okay. Because 8 minus 3 gives us 5. So 3 cookies. Ooh, what's this? And the key says 8 cookies. 3 cookies. So that is correct. Perfect. Moving on to geometry and measurement. It says, which shape has the same shape and size as the shape at the top? Well, it's definitely not this, and it's definitely not this one, but we see that it's 3 equal sides, so I'm going to go with shape C. And since I'm going with shape C, I'm going to say that's the answer. Let's see, are we correct? Yes, this is the answer. Perfect. Let's move on to data analysis. Ooh, I love data. Okay, Harrison Elementary, second grade classrooms. So we have 4 teachers here: Mr. Winston, Miss Lee, Mr. Chan, and Mrs. O'Connor. 19, 17, 22, 23 are the number of students. Which classroom has the most students? The most amount of students is Miss O'Connor. 23 is the largest number. Okay, so we're going to check, and yes, perfect. By the way, if you like what we're doing here, if you enjoy the live stream, if you enjoy the content, if you want extra help learning English specifically to pass the CASAS test, then join my Patreon. Join my Patreon. The link is down in the description below. I hope to see you there. You'll get downloadable resources and a community of English language learners. Now, it says here that a preschool teacher wants to put the same number of toys in each toy box. There are 20 toys and 4 toy boxes. How many toys should the teacher put in each toy box? How many toys should the teacher put in each toy box? So I'm getting the feeling that we're probably going to need to divide. We're probably going to need to divide. If we work it out literally, right? So we have 20 toys, put them into 4 toy boxes. So that's going to give us 20 divided by 4. And what you get there, it is 5. So I'm going to say that the answer is B. You can put 5 toys in each toy box. The answer was B. Correct. You can put 5 toys in each toy box. Now, when we practice this, we do this in our we are doing it the numerically. We need to learn how to think in English and what they are asking us. Just a quick little tip. Here's the next question. Nicole is planting a vegetable garden. The garden will have 8 equal parts. In each part, Nicole will plant 1 tomato plant and 4 onion plants. How many? So that's the question, part of the question. How many total plants will Nicole have in her garden? Total plants. So the garden will have 8 equal parts, and it says that she will plant 1 tomato plant and 4 onion plants. So we want total plants. So that's going to be right here. That's 1 plus 4. Let's do this in a different ink color. So that's 1 plus 4, which is 5. So if it's one, so 1 tomato plant and 4 onion plants, that's 5 plants. And it's 8 equal parts. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. So that's going to give us 5 times 8, which is 40. So there you go. And that's it. It's where she's going to have 40 total plants. Very nice. Algebraic thinking. Clarifando I ink. Anyways, here it says Rainbow Daycare serves 64 ounces of juice each day. 1 gallon is 128 ounces. So that's our scale factor. Let's call it our scale factor. So how many days will 1 gallon of juice last at the daycare? So it's 64 ounces each day. So if it's 64 ounces per day, right? And they're asking how many days will a gallon of juice last? But it's 64 per day. And we already know that a gallon is 128. So ounces on top and days on the bottom. So 64 a day, 128 ounces. And we're going to put that here. We're going to cross multiply. So 64 times the letter D, and then 128. And we're going to divide both sides by 64. And when we do that, we get our answer. That means D equals 128 divided by 64, which is 2. So a gallon is 128 ounces, and it's 64 per day. So it's going to last 2 days. That's my answer. Let's double check that. 2 days. Correct. So the number of days. This stands for the number of days. Awesome. When we cross multiplied, it was 64 times D, 100 times 128 times 1. It's going to last 2 days. Perfect. Moving on now. Data analysis, statistics, and probability. All right. Data analysis, statistics, and probability. Papi. Shh. Hello. Espérate. Pause. Espérate. Papi está trabajando. What are you doing here? Stop it. All right. That's the end of that. Thank you for joining me. If you enjoyed the live stream. So that's the end of that. If you enjoyed the live stream, join my Patreon for more content. If you want more practice, if you want more help with if you want extra help with the practice CASAS, join the Patreon. You'll get access to downloadable resources. I think you went away. It's just my little 5-year-old. He's gone. Okay. Anyways, a college asked students where they live. Where do the fewest students live? Fewest. Where does it show the fewest number of students? Not this. And as you can see, this is the smallest. So I'm going to go with mobile home. So our answer was D. Okay, give me a second.